2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, backup camera, tow hitch, remote engine start, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, 4-wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror. Come take a test drive today.